Imedo winjo matuch e kor gwenge gi Roda Odhiambo.
Riwruok mar okinde mano LSK ochako chenro moro e kaonti ma Kisumu mar chiwo puonj ne oganda ewi ber mar nyayo kwe e kinde yiero motelo ne yiero maduong' mar higa mar 2027. LSK wacho ni kaonti ma Kisumu mana kaka kuonde mamoko e pacho ka osebedo kotulo e kinde yiero mano mabedo oselalo ngima oganda mathoth kendo ketho mwandu mathoth. Sara Agong' mabende en apisa mabende ochung' ne chenro no wacho ni chenro no oting'o puonjo jokanye kaonti no ewi okenge mag lando kwe kendo neno ni onyak e kinde yiero mabiro. Ne olose boma ma Kisumu e yo machalo kama.
I believe that this project is so timely based on the recent events of the by-elections. We are seeing that there's a trend that we are trying to avoid, which is violence related to election. We are hoping that we are going to sensitize community members, we are going to sensitize advocates on the importance of peaceful elections, and we hope that the link and the bridge between the advocates and the community leaders would safeguard the entire community. The discussions today also just suggest to us there are still many other gaps in Kisumu County that need to be addressed. Like for example, we need to now have opportunities to have engagements with duty bearers, IEBC, the police, other administrative officers, to ensure that this conversation, we are not just having it with community leaders and advocates, but also with the duty bearers. So there are gaps in that still need to be addressed, and we are hoping that with the availability of funding, we should be able to deal with those gaps.